Most people don't lose their memory because they're getting older. They lose it because of a few quiet habits they repeat every single day without realizing what those habits are doing to their brain. If you clicked on this, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about simple, everyday habits that keep your brain sharp, focused, and resilient at any age. Not supplements, not expensive programs, and not anything extreme. These are habits researchers, doctors, and brain specialists keep coming back to again and again. And one of them is so overlooked that fixing it alone can noticeably change how your brain feels within weeks. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people never hear. Brain fog, forgetfulness, and mental slowdown don't suddenly start at 70 or 80. They often begin decades earlier. Not because the brain is weak, but because it adapts to how we use it, or how we don't. The good news is that the brain is incredibly flexible. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change, repair, and rewire itself. That ability doesn't disappear with age, it just needs the right signals. Think about the small moments that sneak up on you. Walking into a room and forgetting why. Reading a page and realizing nothing stuck. Struggling to find a word you know. These aren't failures, they're feedback. And what you do with that feedback matters more than your age ever will. One of the most powerful habits for brain health is surprisingly boring, which is why most people ignore it. Regular sleep at the same time every night. Not just more sleep, but consistent sleep. Your brain uses deep sleep like a nightly cleanup crew. It clears out waste proteins linked to memory decline and resets emotional circuits. Studies from Harvard and the National Institutes of Health show that inconsistent sleep disrupts memory formation even more than short sleep. That means sleeping 6 hours at random times can be worse than sleeping 6 hours consistently. A simple routine, dim lights, same bedtime, same wake time, trains your brain to repair itself on schedule. Another habit that protects the brain is daily movement, but not in the way most people think. You don't need long workouts or intense routines. What the brain responds to is regular movement that raises blood flow. Walking, stretching, light strength work, or even dancing in your living room. Movement increases a protein called BDNF, often called brain fertilizer, which helps neurons grow and connect. People who move daily show slower cognitive decline, even when they start later in life. The key isn't intensity, it's consistency. What you eat feeds your brain long before it feeds your muscles. One habit that quietly damages brain health is eating for convenience instead of nourishment. Highly processed foods spike blood sugar, then crash it. Those crashes strain memory and focus. On the other hand, brains thrive on healthy fats, fiber, and colorful plants. Omega-3s from fish or seeds support brain cell membranes. Leafy greens provide antioxidants that protect memory centers. Research from Rush University found that people who ate more leafy greens had brains that looked up to 11 years younger on scans. That's not magic, that's nutrition. Here's a habit that surprises people. Staying slightly hungry sometimes is good for the brain. Constant snacking keeps insulin high, which affects memory and learning. Gentle fasting windows, like finishing dinner earlier or waiting a bit longer before breakfast, activate brain repair pathways. This doesn't mean starving yourself. It means giving your brain a break from constant digestion. Studies suggest this helps with focus, mental clarity, and long-term brain resilience. Your brain loves challenges, but it hates boredom. Doing the same things the same way every day slowly dulls neural connections. A powerful habit is learning something new that feels a little uncomfortable. A language, a musical instrument, a new route when walking, even brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand. These small challenges force the brain to create new pathways. People who regularly learn new skills show better memory and problem solving as they age, regardless of education level. Social connection might be one of the most underestimated brain habits of all. Isolation doesn't just affect mood, it physically changes the brain.
Loneliness is linked to faster cognitive decline and higher dementia risk. Regular conversations, shared laughter, and meaningful relationships activate multiple brain regions at once. Even brief social interactions help keep emotional and memory circuits active. This doesn't mean having a huge social circle. 1 or 2 consistent connections are enough to protect the brain. Here's a habit many people think is harmless, but isn't. Constant multitasking. Jumping between screens, notifications, and tasks trains the brain to stay scattered. Over time, this weakens focus and memory. A healthier habit is single tasking, doing one thing at a time, even for just 10 or 15 minutes. Studies show that focused attention strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and clarity. Your brain performs better when it's allowed to finish a thought. Hydration matters more than most people realize. Even mild dehydration affects attention, memory, and reaction time. The brain is mostly water, and when fluid levels drop, it literally has to work harder. Many people mistake dehydration for fatigue or brain fog. A simple habit of drinking water regularly throughout the day can noticeably improve mental clarity, especially in older adults. Exposure to natural light early in the day is another brain protective habit. Morning light helps regulate your internal clock, which affects sleep, mood, and memory. Just 10 to 20 minutes of daylight in the morning can improve nighttime sleep quality and daytime focus. This is one of the simplest habits with the biggest ripple effects. Your brain also needs quiet. Constant noise keeps stress hormones elevated, which harms memory over time. Creating moments of silence, even a few minutes a day, allows the nervous system to reset. This might be sitting quietly, gentle breathing, or simply turning everything off. Studies show that quiet time helps the brain consolidate memories and process emotions. Here's a quick reset moment. If you've been listening this far, notice something. None of these habits require special equipment. None depend on age, and none work alone. They build on each other. And one of the most important ones is still coming. Stress management is not optional for brain health. Chronic stress shrinks the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. This isn't permanent, but it becomes harder to reverse over time. Habits like slow breathing, gentle movement, prayer, meditation, or journaling lower cortisol and protect brain tissue. Even 5 minutes a day can shift your nervous system from survival mode to repair mode. Another habit that supports brain health is maintaining stable blood sugar. Large spikes and crashes affect focus and memory. Pairing carbohydrates with protein or fat slows absorption and keeps the brain fueled steadily. This is especially important as we age, when insulin sensitivity often declines. Limiting alcohol is another quiet protector of the brain. Even moderate drinking affects memory formation and sleep quality. Reducing intake or taking regular breaks allows brain chemistry to rebalance. Many people notice clearer thinking within weeks. Your posture matters more than you think. Slouching restricts blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. Sitting upright, stretching the chest, and moving the neck improves circulation and alertness. This is one of those habits that feels too simple to matter until you feel the difference. Mental rest between activities is another overlooked habit. Constant stimulation exhausts attention networks. Short breaks, stepping outside, stretching, or closing your eyes allow the brain to reset. Productivity actually improves when rest is intentional. Now we reach the habit that multiplies everything else. Purpose. Having a reason to wake up, something to care about, something that feels meaningful. Studies from multiple countries show that people with a strong sense of purpose experience slower cognitive decline and better memory, even when health issues are present. Purpose activates motivation, emotional regulation, and long-term planning, all essential brain functions. This doesn't have to be grand. It can be caring for family, volunteering, learning, creating, or simply growing. When you combine these habits, something powerful happens. The brain stops fighting against daily stressors and starts adapting to them. Memory improves, not overnight, but steadily. Focus returns in moments you didn't expect. Confidence grows because your brain feels reliable again. None of this is about perfection, it's about direction. Pick 1 or 2 habits and build from there. Small actions repeated daily reshape the brain far more than dramatic changes done once. If you're curious about how food specifically affects memory and focus later in life, there's a video waiting for you that breaks down the most powerful brain-supporting foods after 50, including a few that surprise almost everyone. Once you understand how they work, you'll never look at meals the same way again. Your brain is not done growing. It's listening to what you do today.